Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? I hope you are all having a fabulous day today. And today, we are back. We are in a good mood. NAKD is doing so well, as we can see on the screen. But we are not talking about NAKD. No. We are talking about SafeMoon, the cryptocurrency that is now taking the world by storm. It's similar to Doge. It's similar to all of it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we properly carry on, please remember, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, join our telegrams. You know all the stuff that we go over it all the time. And we just need to remind you of how grateful we are to the whole community. We've been doing the streams. You guys seem to be absolutely loving them. You're killing it. And I was going to say, we enjoy doing them. So I know we're going to be having more streams more consistently because it seems to be what you guys want. So yeah, there's that. Also, I'd like to remind you, I am not a financial advisor in any way, shape or form. I am an economics and finance student at university. I'm still learning myself. I can find good stocks and whatever and things that I think have potential, but they're all battlefields. I can only find the battlefields for you. I cannot fight the battle for you. So yeah, please make sure you do your own due diligence and never bet more than you can afford to lose. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I have done my coursework. I am all yours now until September when all uni starts again. But hey, we have a long time together now, uninterrupted, multiple videos. You know how it is. But today, we are talking about SafeMoon. Now, what is SafeMoon? So SafeMoon is a cryptocurrency that was launched in April. So it's an online currency. It's like Bitcoin, like Ethereum. It's more like Doge and Triller and all that type of thing. The kind of the altcoins, not the big two in Bitcoin and Ethereum that are actually used for things. So it was launched in April 2021 and it has since recorded a 910% increase in share price. That was just between the 16th and the 20th of April due to the popularity it's been gaining on sites such as Reddit, Twitter. Everywhere you look, people are pushing SafeMoon. So SafeMoon is very similar to the likes of Doge, Bitcoin, Ripple, XPR and all of the other altcoins that I've just mentioned. And it is following suit. So, ever since Coinbase did its IPO, in which we did a video on and whatever, so that has caused this massive surge in cryptocurrency. Just because it's more widely available, people are becoming more clued up on it. The whole Coinbase thing was such a massive kind of hit in the news. Anyone heard about it and kind of paid attention to it. And again, this coupled with all of the interest this has been gathering and all the traction this has gathered from Reddit and Twitter and all the rest of it is causing these massive spikes. So if we can quickly take a look at the graph. So when it first kind of came to fruition, it was March 12th. So that is when it properly was actually formed. And if you got in back then, fair play, because yeah, as you can see, this run up is just unbelievable. When was it? I think it was about the 18th of April. That was around the time Coinbase did their IPO. And as we can see from this, look at this run up. Look at that. That is just like disgusting. It was unreal. This has just put the whole market into a shambles. This along with everything else. But it is a very bullish market at the moment, and it is massively positive for everybody involved in crypto. So, the name. Why is it called SafeMoon? Well, it carries the slogan on the website, Safely to the Moon. And it is essentially just a play with the phrase that is used by Wall Street Bets when it was hyping up Dogecoin and GME and AMC. It is just the whole, we're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. So I can get behind this. I know I'm going to the moon, only I'm going to the moon with NAKD. People are going to the moon with everything. The market is so bullish at the moment, and if you're a bull, you are having a whale of a time. So what is kind of the ins and outs of SafeMoon, and how does the crypto actually work? Because you can't currently, as far as I'm aware, use it to buy anything formal due to the fact it doesn't have a market cap, and yeah, it's just really widely accessible. However, how it does this and how you kind of profit off of it, one is just from the hype. However, it rewards people who hold on to it. It rewards those diamond hands, as people like to say. So when you buy it, it is viewed as a token to hold on to and take it safely to the moon. In order for them to do this, they have imposed a 10% penalty tax fee. So when you sell, they automatically take 10% of that. And then they redistribute 5% of this tax back into everyone else who already owns SafeMoon. So if you sell and you're not holding, half of your money that you've got in half of it, 10% of it, goes to SafeMoon, and then 5% of whatever, or half of whatever you sent to SafeMoon, then gets paid on to other people who are holding. So they've kind of worked it out really, and they are playing on people's to the moon sort of bias, I guess you would call it. Now, there is one problem with SafeMoon. Because it's got a kind of unlimited market cap, there's just whatever, it results in there being a lot of buying power and a lot of hype surrounding this stock, which there is at the moment. However, if you're looking at this for a long-term play, I would be very, very skeptical at the moment, unless there was a market cap imposed on it and it was actually used to buy things. I would be very, very skeptical. However, that is not to say that I can't see this stock with, this could be a new Doge, and watch the space, because I'm waiting for this in a second. With the current state of the market, this could go to a cent in no time. It really could, and I don't know why it would, but it could, and I'm just not ruling anything out. So if you're invested in this, I've got about 50 quid in there, because, why not? Because if it does go to a cent, then hey, I'll see you on the moon, yeah? But without further ado, I would just like to once again say thank you to everybody who is supporting myself and Sam on this. We have got a bunch of things up and coming that I think everyone is really going to enjoy on this channel. It's going to be informative, it's going to be fun, and yeah, without further ado, have an amazing day, and let's watch Naked hit $1 today, shall we? Take care, guys.